Welcome to the Greenfile app. On the home screen, you have two options: to look at the templates you've created and to look at the files you've created. In order to create files, you first need to have a template. So let's first head to the templates page. Here you will see all the templates you have created. To see your available options for each template, click on it. Here you can see that each template can be used to create a new file, can be edited, can be added to a folder, or can be deleted. When adding a template to a folder, you can add it to either an existing one or create a new one. To open or close a folder, simply click on it. For demonstration purposes, I am going to start a new template from scratch rather than editing an existing one. To do this, I click the plus icon at the bottom of my list of templates. The template automatically has one data field. From here you can add more data fields after the currently selected one by clicking the plus icon. You can switch data fields by selecting or clicking on them. As long as you have more than one, you can remove the currently selected data field by clicking the minus icon. You will see that each data field has a label and a data type. If you want to add a label to that field, click it and type in your label. To change the data type of the currently selected field, click one of the other data icons in the bottom toolbar. The first data type is short text, which is great for things like title or name fields with less than one line of text. The second is long text, which is great for multiple paragraphs of text. The third is arithmetic, which allows you to enter mathematical equations and gives you a solution. The fourth is the list of data types, which allows you to store a list of available options. The fifth is a timer, which allows you to record how long a task takes to complete. The sixth is the picture field, which allows you to capture images with your device and store them right inside your file. The seventh is the header field, which allows you to organize your document into sections. The eighth is the checkbox field, which allows you to create any number of interactive checkboxes, each with their own labels. The ninth and final data type is the table field. This lets you create a table of rows and columns. If you forget what each icon stands for, you can hold down on the icon and a larger selection field with labels will open for each data type. To save the template, click the icon in the top right corner. Now you can see the template we just created. We can now use that template to make new files. However, that template did not have very many fields and was not very interesting, so let's instead start a new file with another template I made earlier. When editing a template, you can add new fields, change a field's type, and change a field's label. But when creating or editing a file, those features are now locked. Instead, now you are able to enter data into these fields. For example, now I can enter a name into this field titled Student Name. We can also make list selections, start timers, take pictures, and do arithmetic. Once we have filled out everything, we again save this file by clicking the save icon and entering a name. Now let's go back to the home page and this time open the Files page rather than the Templates page. This page is organized much like the Templates page and has many of the same options for files as we did for templates. Only now we would be editing, deleting, or sorting the files rather than the templates. In addition, we now also have the option to share these files. This allows you to save, email, airdrop, or print your files. When you export the files in this way, the app takes the data you entered into our user interface and formats it into an attractive and easy to read PDF document.